everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Happy new week and happy Monday to you all. So just a quick one. I want to show you guys how we make oats, not oats, sorry, how we make wheat. For those of you that don't know how to make wheat, so watch this video to the end. You know how to make that perfect wheat. So here we have this is wheat. You can also use this pattern to make a pando, oatmeal, what else? Flour, semolina, fufu, anything. You understand? But don't use this pattern to make garri. So, you know, here in Malaysia, anything swallowed, they call it fufu. I want to tell you guys that fufu is not wheat. Fufu is not pando. You understand that everything here in Malaysia, as long as it comes with soup, with egusi soup, Malaysians they refer it as fufu. Okay, fufu is cassava flour. So we have different types of swallow. We have garri, we have pando, we have semolina, we have wheat, we have so many of them. Okay, we even have plantain flour, a lot of it. So but here they generalize all of them as fufu. So for now I am teaching you guys how to make wheat. You see, first of all you have to boil the water first, then you add some vegetable oil so that the wheat will not be sticking in your pan when you are molding it. Okay, so right now the water is boiling. I will be turning the whole of this wheat inside this boiling water. So first you have to reduce the fire. You have to turn it down a little bit before you can pour your wheat inside. So while you are pouring your wheat inside, make sure you do it very fast, because any little mistake, it will not come out well. So you make sure you turn it. So once you get to the consistency you want, then you stop pouring it. Okay. See? Can you see? Coming more stronger. Okay. At this point, I think I have to stop. Then you will start by breaking the lumps. Make sure you turn it properly. This one, a man walk, but as a strong woman that I am, I do everything. I do both what a woman could do and what a woman could do. So, yes. I'll be right back. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll be adding water, just a little bit of water. I'll make a dough here, a hole. See? So then I will cover the pot and let the wheat steam a bit, you understand, just to make sure that the wheat done very well, cooked properly, because if not it will not be good. You will be testing that raw wheat. So once it's cooked, you won't have this raw taste where you are eating your wheat. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it for like, maybe it depends, 5 minutes, 10 minutes on a very low heat. When I come back again, I will make the final turning, then the wheat is ready. I hope you learn I hope you learn a lot on this video. So follow this step anytime you want to make your swallow, your fufu, whatever. You can follow this pattern. Yeah, this one is for maybe 10 people. I normally make it like this, then wrap. It's for my customers. So even if you want to make for just a portion, 2 portion, 3 portion, you can also follow this step, okay, and you get it perfectly fine. All right, thanks for watching. If you are watching me for the very first time, please know what to do. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow, like, anything, so just to support our ministry. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.